Hi, Jeffrey here, and what I have with me here is nanotech high, nano high tech invisible liquid ink protector. Someone said that this thing, when you apply it on your phone screen, it doesn't crack. Now, I'm not sure if it works because there are a lot of fake markets, there are a lot of fake things out there. Well, let's just see whether it works, shall we? Let's unbox this. Okay, this is how you open it. Ooh, looks like a regular screen guard, yeah. Huh? I need a scissors for this. Just go caveman. Oh. Ah. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's cool. Now the pack says that we need to use the wet wipe number 1. Okay, wet wipe number 1 to clean the screen. Now what I have here with me is a very good phone, but you can see the screen guard here is actually not very good, and it cracks over time, making the phone ugly. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to apply nano high tech. Let's just call it nanotech. This is too long. I'm going to apply this on this. I'm going to break it to the hammer and see if it breaks. Let's go there. Like a little nano bomb. Still taking time to figure this out. Okay. Especially glove. This I just don't want to end up freezing my hand with anything this morning again.
This is the market that I am. Very passionate. They say the way it is. You have done that very well. I want to thank you for your kindly comments, because we take it as a guide as to the direction.
What we have here is the dry tissue.
And I don't know where I have taken it.
Now we are going to pour this on top. So, okay. Then there's a dry tissue and spread it around. We are going to spread it round and round. Maybe let's just get more into that and just bring it round. Oh boy, I hope this doesn't touch my fingers.
The chairman of the SEC, the active representative.
Now let's leave this to dry for some time. Hi, we're back here.
Good morning,
The Nano takes always dry. You just need to dry it with this just to remove any residue from it and make it all smooth and shiny. But I hope this thing doesn't break because I spent good money on this. Okay. I will use the dry. Okay, I'll use the clean one now to dry the tissue off.
It was over 250 billion, and the total of 157 billion was sold.
Now, some meat say that if you break this thing with a heavy object, because I didn't see a hammer, it won't break. Say that's 10 times stronger. 10 times stronger than this. And we want to check that because you don't see how liquid can be stronger than solid. But yes. And quick note, this is a gift from quizpayz. Just check them out in the link below. Also keep a follow and keep a like. And now we go to the hour of truth.
We saw it close at 13.39% and again 14.6% during the last auction.
I want you to.
Okay.
Oh my god! Did it break? It's actually legit.